Hello everyone, my name is Tingyu, and this is my final project for the program CS50 2021, a Flask web application to generate random walk recipes for visitors and users. As the super admin, you can also go to the management console after logging in here and trying to remember my password. And yes, go to here. The super admin can check what ingredients are in the database, and he or she could also add new ingredients to it. And now I'm adding chili to the database. And if you make some mistakes, you can also update your input, correcting it to chili pepper and changing it to side. But if you feel unhappy about it, you can also choose to delete it. There are more ways to interact with the database. For more information, please check the link below.